There is no force, there is no personality, there is no leader who may show us the path to prosperity and to high achievements and motivate the youth in that direction. My main thrust of the speech was that forget about the past generation and the present generation. We have failed. We are failing you. Maybe this is the cause of deterioration in the society and in the political environment. That's why today Pakistan is surrounded by enemies. That's why there is internal squibbling and there is internal infighting between ourselves. Muslims are killing Muslims. Pakistanis are killing Pakistanis. It is the Pakistani nation which has gone down in social values. We tend to criticize others. We try to find faults with others, but we don't try to find fault in ourselves. گریبان میں ہم نہیں جھانکتے. دوسرے کے اوپر انگلی اٹھانے میں ہمیں بڑا شوق ہے. دوسرے کو کالا سیاہ اس کے منہ پہ کالک بننے کے لیے ہم تیار ہیں, لیکن اپنے کردار کو بنانے کے لیے تیار نہیں ہیں. دس از آور ڈیلیما. جس وقت آپ نے یہ ڈسکور کر لیا, جس دن یہ طے ہو گیا کہ ہر شخص نے ایز این انڈیویجل پاکستانی اپنے آپ کو بہتر بنانا ہے اور اپنے دل میں قوم کی محبت پیدا کرنی ہے, حب الوطنی کا جذبہ پیدا کرنا ہے, اپنے آپ میں پاکستانیت پیدا کرنی ہے, پاکستان کے لیے پرائیڈ کا جذبہ پیدا کرنا ہے, جو کہ میں نے کہا تھا کہ دوسرے ملکوں میں بدرجہ عتم موجود ہے. ہر ملک میں اپنے ملک سے محبت کا جذبہ موجود ہے, صرف نہیں ہے تو پاکستان میں نہیں ہے. اسی لیے ہم روز بروز گہرائیوں میں گرتے چلے جا رہے ہیں. تو میں یہ کہہ رہا تھا, دس از وٹ آئی سیڈ, کہ ڈونٹ ٹرائی ٹو فائنڈ فالٹس ان ادرس, ٹرائی ٹو ایمرج ایز اے نیشن فرام دی یوتھ لیڈرشپ. لیٹ دا لیڈرشپ کم آؤٹ آف یو. You have to lead Pakistan. You have to make Pakistan for your own self. We are gone. We have lived our lives. If we have committed mistakes, we are history. Pakistan belongs to the coming generation. Those who are in teenage, those who are in 20s, those who are in 30s, those who are either studying or have completed their studies in different fields. You are to be the doctors, engineers, scientists, and you are going to be the politicians. You are going to be the leaders of this country. So, create leadership out of yourself. And God will give you the light in which you will see your own goal. Have I answered your question? Thank you very much.
Have produced peace for you. And this is all indigenous. I think there is for you something to see. And what was the reason? Hard work, merit, honesty. There is no substitute for hard work. And for you, you have a talent. And this has been proved not by words but by the examples which I have given myself, and there are 6 letters from that organization with me. You can see about the talent of Pakistan among 60 nations is not a joke. And what we need is, as our worthy Mr. Khalid has said, your own hard work and your own jazba as a nation of your own. You belong to a celebrated nation. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the leader, the honest man who created difficult situation out of a difficult situation in Pakistan. So I think, you have to work hard, you have to be honest, you have to be straightforward. Talent is there. God bless you.
Any new question? Please stand up. Please be clear, a little louder.
My question is about the infringement of intellectual property rights, infringement of violation of law by the legislative authority itself. That it is in law, it is specifically stipulated that no private organization or any agency can register its name which shows
It is a government organization. Let me tell you one thing. Let me inform all the participants here. This is a new, novel idea of intellectual property rights. A few years back, there was no concept of intellectual property rights. In fact, it has yet not been adopted by all the countries of the world. Last year, about 7-8 months back, I went to represent Pakistan in Geneva, Switzerland. That is the headquarters of WIPO, World Intellectual Property Rights. Huge building and a very big hall. 128 countries were representing their countries. Now you can understand that around 135 countries are now having this organization in their countries, respective countries, by the name of Intellectual Property Office or Intellectual Property Organization. Whatever it is now in China, it is in Russia, it's in Europe, America, Middle East, Far East, Africa, Latin America. Wherever you go, now this organization, its importance has emerged during the last 4 or 5 years. Its international treaties have been signed only a few years back. TRIPS is one of them, Paris Convention and Madrid Convention, other conventions in which Pakistan is also a signatory of 3 conventions and 3 international treaties. What is there? What are intellectual property rights? You must understand that. Anything created as an innovation, as a new thing, by a person, by his own thinking. It's not something, now this is a solid thing. Intellectual property is not solid. This is an idea. It can be in the form of book, poem, song, film, painting, or it can be a new formula of a drug, medicine, or it can be a new innovation as far as machinery is concerned. Similarly, trademarks also, any new trademark which is not similar to previously registered trademark. Now those are the intellectual property rights which Pakistan's organization IPO Pakistan registers. We have got our registries at Karachi as well as at Lahore, controlled by the headquarter at Islamabad, headed by me. And our job is to register all the intellectual property rights under different heads and to lend them the status of legality. Any person registered with us automatically gets the legal right of proprietorship of that right. If any person, any other person tries to steal his right or tries to copy his right, he is liable for criminal as well as civil litigation and penalties. And in certain cases, those are very severe. We don't have the enforcement powers. IPO Pakistan does not have the enforcement powers. We don't have enforcement force, which in certain countries, to my amazement, it is granted in the shape in the country of Cambodia, in Malaysia, in Australia, in Thailand. The enforcement powers and enforcement force is also provided to the intellectual property rights offices over there, thereby increasing the capability of those organizations to get hold of the criminals who indulge in piracy and as well as infringement of other rights.